Here is another trade recap for the day. I just took a trade maybe a few minutes ago on US30, and this is going to be a trade breakdown as usual. But before I go anywhere, can you please like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and also hit your notification bell button so that you are notified constantly when I upload a new trade recap or I make a series, whatever it is. So let's get straight into the trade for the day. So for the day, I went on the daily time frame and I saw this busy right here, daily busy or a daily bullish fair value gap, right? Going into the day, it was mitigated a couple of times before really. Let me go highlight it here. Say it's a daily busy, right? And immediately after that, I went on the 4-hour time frame, and on the 4-hour time frame, what caught my eye was this SIBI or a bearish fair value gap that price is constantly respecting. Is an H4 SIBI. And then also, right here on the 4-hour time frame, we have this inversion fair value gap, right? And we also have another one here. So yeah, you just know that they were inverted. Both of them were inverted on the 4-hour time frame. No problem. And then I went on the hourly time frame. And as I went on the hourly time frame, what caught my eye was this low right here, which was my first draw on liquidity for the day. Draw on liquidity. Let me go charge my phone before it dies while I'm doing this trade breakdown. I'm sorry for the delay. Right, let's get straight to it. That was my first draw on liquidity, and after that I saw this low was taken by this low, meaning this was my second low is my draw on liquidity. No problem. Let's go and highlight it. Draw on liquidity. Beautiful. And as price took out that drawn liquidity, remember that we are in a higher time frame PDRA, which is a daily bullish fair value gap. We have the drawn liquidity that was swept, meaning I'm bullish for the day on DJ, right? And when when US30 took out that low, look at what was happening on NQ. We had the very same low, but price didn't take it. And what does that mean? It means that price gave us an SMT divergence right here. We had an SMT divergence with the Dow Jones or the US30. And then when we go on US30, you can see at the same time we failed to take out that low on NQ. We took it out on the Dow Jones, making that what? An SMT with NQ. SMT with NQ. Now we have a couple of confluences. Number one, we are in a higher time frame PDRA, which is a daily bullish fair value gap. Number two, we had an H1 low being taken out. Number three, we have an SMT divergence with the Nasdaq. And then I went on the 1 minute time frame. And then on the 1 minute time frame, the first thing that caught my eye was this inversion fair value gap right here. And when price inverted that bearish fair value gap, I really just wanted to get in immediately, but I was like, nah, let me wait a bit. And after that inversion fair value gap, price gave us what? Market structure shift right here. Price gave us a market structure shift. Or you can choose to say we had a market structure shift here, move up, then move down. That's a high right here. It's really what you want to, it's all perspective. Market structure shift right there. And what did we have? We also had this bullish fair value gap. And when price gave us that bullish fair value gap and price returned somewhere near it, I went long right about here. I put my stops slightly below this inversion fair value gap because I knew that price might tap the inversion and then go long after that. So I just to make sure that I have a safety cushion. I put my stops there, and then my TP was on these relative equal highs right here. And excuse the noise in the background, man. We have those relative equal highs, and this was me when I was in the trade. So yeah, and price did end up hitting TP, but I closed before it hit TP. Maybe I closed around this 42.63 5.8. That's somewhere I closed, I think. So that's the trade breakdown for the day. Don't forget to subscribe, hit your notification bell button, leave a comment down below, and also like the video, man. We'll be uploading more of these NQ and ES, not forgetting the Dow Jones and currency pairs if you guys are down with that as well. But yeah, that's the trade breakdown for today. Thank you for tuning in. Signing out, the Faceless Trader. Yes.